Hello everyone. So friend, in this lecture we'll see the demonstration that how @test factory provides a support for returning an iterator from our dynamic test. So here I will simply copy this test and here we are simply returning the iterator of dynamic test. We'll import it from the java.util package. We'll give the test name as iterator. So friends, here you can see that this is a collection type, and if you want to return the iterator from this collection, what we need to do is we need to call .iterator method, and that's it. We can create a iterator of dynamic test and simply return it from this method. So I'll simply run this test. So here you can see the test case got executed successfully. So friend, in this lecture we saw the demonstration of how we can use the dynamic test iterator in our dynamic test. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.